Nothing over a good skincare regime. All my skincare secrets are gonna be yours. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो है it's gonna be about my skincare regime and honest skincare routine, how I maintain my skin, how it's healthy, hydrated. I did have a lot of flare up in between. I'll attach maybe 1-2 pictures over here so you get an idea that yeah, my skin also gets messed up. But how I get back to the good skin is something जो मैं आज share करने वाली हूँ. I have made a skincare video previously, but that was more like a summer routine, and now because we are in winters, I thought let's make like a winter skincare regime so that you guys will find it helpful as well. And I have changed a lot of products, what I was using earlier, what I'm currently using. So yeah, and before I get into the video, let me tell you सारे products Amazon से होंगे, so आप make sure करना सब कुछ description box में check कर लो. सारे offers भी मैं description box में link कर दूँगी. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first thing I do is a good face wash, and I'm currently obsessed with this face wash. It's by this Innisfree Green Tea Amino Hydrating Cleansing Foam. I've already done my face wash. That's the only thing that I've done on my face right now. It's something that I do every morning and every night before I go to bed. कि I have to make sure कि मैं एक gentle cleanser use कर रही हूँ, and this one by Innisfree is so hydrating, so gentle. ये literally बहुत अच्छे से cleanse कर देगा आपकी skin. And this is not sponsored by the way, like this product, but I love this product. I'm obsessed with this product. I am about to like halfway finish it, and I don't think so I'm going back to any other cleanser anytime soon. I used to use the Face Shop one, the rice water one by them. I love that also, but I just want to try something else, and this one is working equally good for me. So this Green Tea Amino Hydrating Cleansing Foam, it has green tea and amino acid, and it gently hydrates and cleanses your skin. I love it as a cleanser. So that's the first thing I use. I'm not gonna show इसका application, but मैं आपको of course बाकी चीज़ों का application दिखाऊंगी because I've already cleansed my face. So yeah, okay. Now the next product that I use that is very essential to me. I stopped toner sometime back, like few years that I did not use it, and then this year I again incorporated toner, and now I'm understanding कि toner क्यों ज़रूरी है, because it literally adds that extra layer of hydration before you incorporate your serums and moisturizers and everything, and I love that extra hydration. So I have two toners, one I use in my AM routine and one I use in my PM routine. For my AM routine, I have stuck with this one, my Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner by the Face Shop. Now this is something जो मैंने अपने पिछले skincare routine में भी दिखाया था. This is very hydrating. But recently I got this one, which is the Laneige Cream Skin Toner. This is literally like a milk-based toner, and this is more of like a it's like a hydrating toner, but ऐसे पानी जैसा ही, but a little thicker. And this is very very lightweight. So depending on your skin type, you can pick what you like. क्योंकि मैंने इसका एप्लीकेशन एक बार पहले दिखाया है इन द प्रीवियस स्किन केयर रूटीन, मैं आज आपको ये लगा के दिखाऊंगी, द Laneige वन, एंड दिस इज लिटरली लाइक वाटर लाइक. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. आई एम यूजिंग करेंटली माई नाइट टाइम रूटीन, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट इन डे टाइम. मेरे मूड के ऊपर है, जो मन करता है मैं उन दोनों टोनर में से कोई एक लगा लेती हूँ. सो लेट्स जस्ट टेक इट. ओके, you can take it in a cotton pad also because it's literally like water, so just dab it. Then I don't like taking the products on cotton pad because मुझे directly हाथ में लेके लगाना पसंद है. And look at that instant shine. It's just so hydrating and it's so lightweight, you won't feel anything on your face. Make sure karo whatever products you're using, you're also applying it on your neck. I think we forget our neck, but our neck is also very very important. So do that, and yep, toner is done. I let my product sit for like 10 to 20 seconds, whatever I use, and उसके बाद I move to the next product so that skin थोड़ा सा absorb कर ले. And instant shine देख रहे हो आप, मतलब if you have been watching this video since the beginning, आप हल्का सा चेंज तो नोटिस कर ही सकते हो. सो that's the shine of this toner, the Laneige toner. It's a little expensive. It's 800 rupees if I'm not wrong, but it's totally worth your money. And इतना toner अगर आप रोज भी लगा रहे हो तो आपको आराम से 1.5 महीना चल जाएगा, which I feel is like okay, so why not? Okay, the next step I do after toner is a serum. Now for my daytime routine, I use a vitamin C serum. This one is by Dermaco. I have used this one since ages now. Like my OG audience knows that this is something I stick with. I love Dermaco के serums, and this one, especially the vitamin C serum, it works beautifully on my acne scars. Like this was so dark कुछ time पहले, but now it has like lightened. Even here I had a scar जो पूरा जा चुका है. Except this one product, I really did not use anything else. So this actually helps a lot to treat your acne scars. And I love this vitamin C serum. Works very beautifully on your pigmentation, dark spots. So yeah, and gives like a good glow. So मैं ये daytime पे use करती हूँ. And nighttime पे I use this Etude House का Moistful Collagen Essence, which is also like a serum only, but it's like a thicker variant, and it's just to build your collagen naturally, because as you age collagen कम होता जाता है, and I don't use retinol as of now. Ideally I should incorporate it by next year in my routine, because I am like above 25 now, so yeah. But so yeah, this is something I use रात को अभी, but since we are doing a morning skincare routine, let's stick with our vitamin C serum. And it's very very lightweight, मतलब बहुत ही हल्का है guys, पता भी नहीं लगेगा कि आपने लगाया. So I just take 2 drops दोनों side, and I just dab it like this. So the thing with vitamin C serum is that if you're taking it in your morning routine, you have to make sure that you're applying sunscreen even if you're at home. वो तो वैसे भी लगानी चाहिए अगर आप घर पे भी हो, but because vitamin C serum can be a little harsh to some people, so make sure you're incorporating sunscreen. And this is how the skin looks after serum. Now I come to my favorite part, which is moisturizing. So I have tried so many moisturizers in my lifetime, I feel, because whenever I get a new product, I'm always like I want to try new products. Sometimes it messes up with my skin also. जैसे मैं आपको बता रही थी शुरू में कि last month मेरा skin barrier बहुत compromised हो गया था इस वजह से, because I tried something new and I did not understand it till like after using it for 10 days that this is not working out. So yeah, but I love this product. This is by Laneige again. This is their Water Bang Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. Almost finished. This is expensive, not gonna lie, but worth every penny. Like this literally saved my skin. It's so hydrating. I have been loving using this, and winters के लिए बहुत appropriate है. Since this is a cream moisturizer, it's also a little heavy compared to the gel ones. So winters में अगर क्योंकि ऐसा लगता है कि skin को ज़्यादा moisturizing की ज़रूरत है, ये वो चीज़ properly देगा. Plus इसका नाम ही है water bank, so it's supposed to hydrate your skin a lot. So I just take this much, and I'm also feeling very sad that it's getting over. But of course I'm gonna restock it. But then it's so nice. I just gently blend everything onto my skin. I love a good moisturizer, and this is like a really really good moisturizer. Yeah, moisturizing is done, and I love how hydrated my skin is feeling right now. And अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा और hydration feel करना होता है, मैं बच्चों को अपने हाथों पे लगा लेती हूँ. So yeah, this Laneige moisturizer is definitely my favorite pick जो भी मैं आज आपको products दिखा रही हूँ उसमें, because it's so hydrating, keeps the skin like really really bouncy. So I love it. Then the next step I do, which is of course really really important, is a sunscreen. Now night time होता तो यहाँ पे खत्म हो चुका होता, but daytime पे of course I use a sunscreen. So I'm using this Innisfree Hyaluron Moist Sunscreen, which is a SPF 50 PA++++. Now I use a sunscreen regardless मैं घर पे हूँ, बाहर हूँ, कहीं पे भी हूँ. I don't reapply it, that is something there, but I'm very lazy in that sense. But I make sure कि at least once so I'm applying, and since I don't go a lot out of my house, I think I'm okay not reapplying it. But ये भी तो आप देख रहे हो एकदम खत्म हो रही है. So like all my skincare products are almost going to empty, which is the reason I wanted to film it कि यार देख लो मैं क्या currently use कर रही हूँ, so that you know that yeah, this is something that she has actually used. So I take sunscreen. थोड़ी ज़्यादा आ गई मुझे लग रहा है, but I think that's okay. You can never have too much of sunscreen. And then I just blend everything, and you'll see how good the skin looks. And yeah, this is how my skin looks post sunscreen application. I love how moisturized and healthy my skin is looking right now. And now comes the last step of a skincare regime, which is this Dot & Key ka lip balm. Now I have been using so many lip balms lately because I can't find like one good lip balm, but I love this lip balm. It's very affordable. I think it was under 350, so it's quite affordable. It has ceramides. It also says that it repairs your lips and everything. It also has peptides. It's a 50 SPF lip balm, and it's in this shade Warm Nude. So it's kind of thoda chocolatey flavor hai. So this is how it looks like. I love it. Now let's apply it and show it to you guys. I have nothing on my lips since the beginning of this video, of course, so let's just apply it. Okay, let's just do it. feel like I'm eating a chocolate every time I apply this. It's so tasty also. This is how the lip balm looks like. Super hydrating. I love it. It does not have a lot of tint also. बहुत slight सा tint है which I like. So it's like my lips but better. So yeah, that is what I do in my skincare regime in winters. There is one last thing I do, which is actually not a part of skincare, but I just do it religiously the minute I finish my skincare, and that's to apply body mist. I'm currently using this Chasing Fireflies body mist by Bath and Body Works. I love this body mist. I recently got it like 15 days back and it smells so divine, so I love using it. मेरे डे टाइम पे भी, and I love smelling good all the time. मैं घर पे भी क्यों ना हूँ, so I just keep on applying mist and all. So good. So yeah, if you're looking for a good body mist, this one, which is Chasing Fireflies by Bath and Body Works. Also, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, what I do is I go for these miniature ones. So you get them under ₹900 and they last you आराम से 1.5-2 महीना, because जो बड़ी वाली होती है वो आप 4-5 महीना यूज़ करते रहते हो, ख़त्म नहीं होती है, and I get bored with that. So I want something which I can switch after 1 to 2 months. So love this, and you can definitely try using this one. Let me show you guys my skin after removing the headband. I love doing skincare. I'm all about having better skin and then a good makeup, but would also like to say it's just not skincare products that work. What you're eating, how much you're staying fit. मैं पानी वानी नहीं बोलूँगी. A lot of it depends on your genes also. Genetics बहुत बड़ा factor play करते हैं, but I do feel that what you're eating affects your skin a lot. Like last month मैंने इतना sugar खाया that it did show somewhere on my skin, but now I'm back to like clean diet and everything, so that also shows. I eat a lot of fruits. I love fruits, like not because I want good skin or something, but I love eating them, so that shows somewhere on your skin, body, everything. So yeah, have good food, do good skincare, and your skin will be like really good. If you have any skincare concerns, I'm not a dermatologist or something, but I do have some expertise because I keep on trying new products. You can comment on below and ask me anything you want to about skincare. I will help you as per best of my knowledge. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया मैंने, but before I end, let me tell you, सारे products Amazon से थे, सब कुछ description box में link हो जाएगा, so make sure करना check कर लो. And I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.